I'm JoAnn Kailikea. I'm in Encino, California, where the fires are happening and where we're asked to evacuate this area. Our home is still standing. I have been doing the cleaning as is usual. Kailikea was a master at decluttering and organizing and cleaning. And I just wanted to share that with you because many of you don't realize this part of that spiritual cleaning is also physical cleaning. He was amazing at it. And I kind of picked that up from him. And so I've come back every single day during the evacuation to clean and to love everything around us and to thank it, thank the plants, thank the cars, thank the driveway, thank the neighbors. All the plants, all the double yellow hibiscus surrounding this property, and the pine trees and flowers and every inch of this property. January 15th in 2022, Kailikea became eternal. This is where he lived for his final 14 years and where he cleaned till his last breath that I personally witnessed. That physical cleaning, don't neglect that part. It's wonderful. It makes you feel great. We are so grateful, not just to Kailikea, but to every single one of you who have supported us and supported this teaching by doing your own cleaning, because it really matters. We belong to each other, and it's a wonderful thing, a blissful experience to know we're all connected. Thank you, and I love you. Aloha.